What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove motorcycle and automotive warning stickers from your new car or motorcycle. Now we just picked up a brand new 2019 CB1000R Honda motorcycle, and it's got some annoying warning stickers right on the top of the tank. Come in close and let's show you what it's all about over here. And this beautiful motorcycle right on the top has these warning stickers, and these come on a lot of new cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, RVs, they're all on the top, and I'm gonna show you guys how to take them off, because on this bike, I really don't want those stickers taking away from this beautiful, gorgeous, red metallic tank. So let's go ahead and take these stickers off. Now, we've already gone ahead and pulled a corner of the sticker off to know that we can pull this sticker off safely. I recommend not removing warning stickers unless you do like a little test of a corner to make sure that underneath it, it's a fresh painted surface. And we've confirmed underneath here, it's a fresh painted surface. So how are we gonna pull these warning stickers off? What we're gonna do is we're gonna use one of these. It's called a plastic razor blade. You can actually pick these up online and sent right to your door or at your local hardware store. They use a plastic razor blade. These are one of the most best tools for you to have as a detailer. The most useful, the best value tools. This thing costs like $1, so it's really easy to use. So come in close, I'll show you guys how I use this. What you wanna do is take the plastic razor blade and you wanna just gently go right under the decal. Do you guys see that? It just went right under the decal. Now, you want to go right under the decal. I went on this side and this side. And then once you have it up a little bit, you want to just go ahead and start pulling off the decal. Now, there's going to be some type of glue involved with this. Don't worry, we're going to take that off at the end. And look how easy it came off, because I got a good start with the plastic razor blade. So easy. There we go. A lot of people like to use these out, like to place the bike outside in the sun or actually use a heat gun. But I don't like to do that sometimes, because on this bike, the paint's actually very soft. I don't want to harm it. So let's take this first sticker, put it down. Let's do the second one right here. Let's go ahead and take our plastic razor blade. Just go ahead and give a good scrape right there. And this isn't harming the paint. It's very soft and it's gentle, so it's not going to harm. Let's go a little bit more. There we go. And once I have a little bit off, boom, pull it right off. So easy. Now there's a little bit of residue right here, and I don't like to use a residue remover. You can actually use like a residue remover or an adhesive remover, but sometimes that's a little bit aggressive. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some Masterson's original Carnauba wax. So I'm gonna walk over to my shelf and I'm gonna grab some of our Masterson's original Carnauba wax. I love using this because it has natural cleaning power that's gonna help pull away all of this residue. If you guys see this residue right here, it's sticky. Look how my finger's just sticking to it. I'm gonna use our Masterson's original Carnauba wax, just put a little bit on here, and then this is actually gonna help pull off the residue. Let's just put a little bit on and work it in. There we go. And Carnauba has natural cleaning power, because I could use an aggressive solvent on this, but this is a brand new bike and I wanna be as gentle as I can with this. So what I'm doing is I'm using a soft microfiber, and I'm just gently cleansing the paint. And this is taking it off very easy. Some people will use gasoline. Some people might use a polish or a rubbing compound, but this is smooth as butter. Check this out, I'll put a little bit more on here. This is literally like smooth as butter. So smooth. It's like there's nothing in this. This is pure Brazilian Carnauba. So I'm using this because I don't want to harm a brand new motorcycle, especially this paint. I want to just be gentle with it and take it off. And the natural cleaning power of the Carnauba is just taking off all of the adhesive from the tank. And we're actually going to get ready to do like a full detail on this. So this is just the first step in getting it looking good. Take our microfiber, flip it over. Oh wow, almost got all of it off. There's just a few little spots over here that I'm gonna work off. And wow, what a difference. Check that out. And we didn't use any polish, we didn't use any abrasive. That's the best thing about this. I'm gonna put a little bit more on my towel. There we go, just a little bit. And I'm using a towel, not an applicator pad, because this tank's so like round and it's such a small area. I don't wanna be pushing wax into little cracks. So this towel just, it gives me a lot of versatile control of what I'm doing here on the detailing. There we go. And remember, if you're removing stickers, like in this small area, always remember, like, clean the whole area around it. Go a little bit further than what you were detailing. It makes the job turn out a lot better. And it's all about pride of ownership. If this is your car, if this is your motorcycle, take pride in it and just go do the little extra step. It makes all the difference. I'm gonna flip my towel over to a clean side. And boom, look at the results on that. That's just amazing. No scratches either. We didn't do any scratches. Some people might want to use a regular razor blade and might scratch the paint, but this is a beautiful tank. So that's why I went ahead and I used this little plastic razor blade. And then look, we just got all the stickers off. So easy, no residue, no mess. And we didn't even have to use a solvent or a heavy cleaner. So if you ever heard your old school friends telling you, hey, just take that sticker, pull it off and use some gasoline, I don't recommend that. Go ahead and get the proper tools and then go ahead and get some proper detailing supplies like our Masterson's Car Care Original Carnauba Wax. It doesn't just work on cars, it works on bikes as well. So now you know exactly how to pull off stickers from your car, your truck, your motorcycle, your RV, your ATV. This is gonna work on plastic, it's gonna work on metal as well. So if you got one of those brand new cars and it's got one of those warning stickers on there, take it off. I know if I'm a seasoned rider, or if you're a seasoned rider just like me, you're gonna know to wear a helmet when you have a motorcycle, so we don't need that sticker. So thanks a lot, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys like this cool tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. And if you wanna pick up some of this Masterson's Original Carnauba Wax, the easiest way to clean, shine, and protect your paint, just go ahead and check out our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.